Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And as the thumbnail suggests, this video is about the book Price Action Breakdown, and the author is Laurentio Damir. Please pardon my pronunciation. Okay, so today we will be focusing on chapter 1. So I have made a handwritten notes of that book, and I will be sharing it, and you can download it using the link in the description box. So let's start with the chapter 1. In this video I will be discussing chapter 1. So the first chapter is fair value of price. So the author says that all the price action concepts and ideas that he has included in this material are inspired by market profile technique, or we can say it as a volume profile. Uh, so to let me show you what a volume profile is. Okay. So volume profile is basically I can use any let's use Finistore solution. So when I open a chart, these are the volumes on uh, these are the volumes on horizontal uh, on time basis. Like let me zoom it a bit. Okay, this volume, the green volume, was at 20. It is a daily chart, so it was on 24th September, then 25th September, 26th September, 27th September. So these volumes are with respect to time and not to the price. And what volume profile does is that it plots volume on with respect to price. For example, let me show you. This can be this comes with as an indicator, and I have used this indicator, and now you can see the blue bars and yellow bars on the left side. Blue bars are for up volume and yellow bars are for low volume. So what it does is that for this price, like 339, as you can see, and the volume was from the here, okay, from here, like from the please follow the pointer. So here you can see VP VR number of rows and that all. So there are 360.986 in blue color, and these are that one was by volume, and the yellow color text was cell volume, and beside it is the total number of total volume. So for it plots volume with respect to price. For example, the price is 342.44. The volume was, and the buy volume was 2.23 million, and sell volume was 1.289 volume. Anyway, it's fluctuating. Okay, and this red line, the price that shows 318.51, this one. So this red line indicates that the maximum value was at this price. So this is all about volume profile. Let's go back to the text. So in this book, the author has uh, taken this idea by using volume profile. So for guys who don't know about price action is the patterns that are made by price on uh, the pattern made by price of any particular instrument with respect to time. The patterns, the chart is the chart on the chart we can see there are various patterns, and these patterns are known as price action. So it usually happens because there are lots and lots of people trading, and that creates a pattern of price. Okay, So he says that price action movement on any chart is the result of is this primary objective of market. Price action movement on any chart is the result of this primary objective of the market. What is the objective of market? The objective of market is to facilitate trading, that is buying and selling. That is what market does. It provides us then opportunity to buy and sell, that is trade. So what we see on chart is the result of the supply and demand principle. Supply is the number of people who are willing to sell, and demand is the number of people that are willing to buy. So demand and supply. So what happens is that when the supply of something increases, that is most people are going to sell it, then its price will come down. As you can see here, I have written the text. When demand is okay, what I explained is demand, supply is greater than demand. So when supply is greater than demand, price will come down. Opposite to it, when the demand of something increases than supply, price will go up. So in general terms, you can say that whenever demand increases, that more people are willing to buy it, so automatically the price will go up. And when demand is equal to supply, the price won't move in any direction. It won't go up, or neither it will come down. It will consolidate in a particular area. It will a small area, and that is called fair value of price. I will come back to it again after some time. So first let me discuss about the types of traders. There are two types of traders in the market. One are the short term traders and the other are long term. So short term are the retail people like we, the individual people who don't uh, who don't see the bigger picture. We just want to trade the short term. So we are not we don't think about what will happen 2 years later or 5 years later. We don't think that. We just think about on a short term. And then, and also the short term volume is less, so we don't have much impact over price. And opposite to us comes the long term buyers. These are the hedge funds or people with huge amount of money. What they view is, their view is of long term, and these are the people who control price. They take fundamental analysis, and they figure out the value of any instrument, and based on that they decide if it is fairly valued or it is highly valued or undervalued. Fairly valued, so fairly valued is when uh, price is fair to its to the instrument, not too high, not too low. Okay, so that was all about the types of buyers. Now we will discuss about the fair value. So as we already discussed, when demand exceeds supply, price increases. When demand becomes less than supply, the price decreases. And when demand is in line with supply, price does not move much, and it accumulates or consolidates in an area, and that makes the fair value of price. So the fair value area is an area where price has spent most time trading at it, where buyers number of buyers are equal to number of sellers. So what let me zoom out this picture and it will be clear. So we can see that it is initially it is going up, then it has consolidated, and then it has come down. So with this arrow we can see that here when price was going up, we can see demand is greater than supply. At this time people were demanding this instrument, and so its price kept on going up. when it came into this area, we can see that it is a horizontal area, and there are two boundaries we can draw. Price stays in that region. Within that boundary, it just rotates up and down. It's not going high. See, here is, it's at some time, though it went higher, we can say that quickly it has come down. So for most of the time it has it traded in this area, the rectangular area. And so this is the fair value of price. Here the demand was equal to in line with supply, and when it has come down, we can see this happens because supply exceeds demand. More people are willing to sell than there are buyers. Okay, so that was all for this one, fair value of area. And price moves from one value to other. Yeah, and these areas can become territorial. As here we can see that if time is excluded, price will uh, price will be cramped into a rectangular area. It would look like a big bulge. So if we compress it, we can see the we can imagine that it will create a rectangular box that will be filled all where we won't find any space there. It will be complete, it will be solid color if we compress the uh, time component. Okay. And price is rotating up. So here, so these two are excess prices where, though it exceeded the top horizontal line, but it quickly came down. And here also, when it went below the horizontal below line, it quickly came up. And so in this chart we can see this is the one value area, here is this another one, here another one, and this one. Okay, so that was all from this one. And if the let me see what are all, what else is included in. Okay, yeah, I was mentioning that uh, these fair value areas are often territorial means it will have value even after it has been rejected, or my or prices went out of it. Here this picture explains it. So earlier this was the area, fair value area, and we can see that this was the top line and this was the bottom line. So price traded in this zone, and this was the excess price went down but quickly came up. And here we can see that price has moved out of it, and when it came back again, we can see that it was quickly rejected, and like it has formed a support. It's not this one is now, this line is now acting as the bottom line for the next uh, next value area. And so that is what I meant when I said to be territorial. Okay, anything? Okay, some key points are: fair value area has most trades. Fair value area, repetitive up and down movement in the same price area creates fair value area. Fair value area affects future prices, acting as support and resistance. Okay, so that was all for the text, and now we will see some practical examples in charts. Okay, so this is the trading view chart. Okay, let it load. I don't think it will take much. Okay, there were some instruments where I had previously drawn, and so let me show them to you. Okay, let me move it in the landscape mode. Okay, yep. So here it goes. This is a British pound uh, versus a US dollar chart, and this is daily chart. Let me move it to 4-hour chart, because then that is where I had drawn FVA. So we can see, so let me show you. So this is the one rectangular box. We can see it as a, Here price spent most of the time. Here also it went down and created a smaller value area below, but it quickly came back to the previous one. Here it went up but then came back again. And see, once this area was broken down, price again went but was rejected. Again here it went up. When it broke down, then again tested, it rejected from the top area, top line, and then it came all the way down. Here it made another fair value area, and now currently as of Friday, it has come back again to the previous fair value area, and now it will be interesting to see what price does here. uh, as per, I think it will consolidate here for some time, and then maybe it may go up or go down. Can't say anything. So let's see what happens on Monday. Okay, so previous also you can see that this one is a fair value area. This one is also, we can include it, but it is a diagonal one, and that we will be learning in later chapters. Here we can see, so it was totally how much, Monday 23rd September, and it is 1st October. So if I zoom it, we can see, yep, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 20 24. Yeah, it was 23rd September, 24th, 25th, 26th, 7th, 8th. Okay, yeah, this was around 1 week time. So, okay, if we here, I think this is, yeah, this one is a value area. Here it has broken down, but again came with, there was many time resistance. Finally it was, the resistance was broken. Okay, I think I did something. Okay, anyways, yep, this is another fair value area. Let me zoom out and now it will be clear. See, this one is a very perfect value area. Traded many times, it has gone up and down, and here it is showing resistance, though it was broken down. It was broken, but it acted as a fair value area. Okay, so this is another value area. Okay, I think I plotted up to this one. We have come long way back. We came back to July 23rd. Okay, let's see some other instrument. I think okay, I think I had plotted on some Indian stocks. So this is Adani Enterprise. Let's see. Shit. Oh, sorry. Okay, so daily chart. Okay, this was a value area for a long time, I can say. Yep, almost an year, and now it has broken down. This was a news related incident, and so now it has come back to the previous value area. See, if we extend this one, it is inside the previous value area. That trading view is not paid version, so it is showing ads. Please forgive me for that. It's quite annoying. Anyways, so for all of 2014, Adani Enterprise uh, traded in the upper value area, marked in the rectangle. See, this is the excess price. Here it is the excess price. Within a day it came down. Okay, and it has come back to the previous. I think it was 23rd. This is the 23rd. Yes. 23rd, and there will be more. Okay, let me see Adani Ports here. Okay, ports, yeah, this Asian Paint. It is also for usually within stocks there are not much. So let's draw some. Okay, let's practice drawing some value area. Within 5 minutes I will cover it. The video is getting too long, so let's choose US dollar versus Japanese yen. So in this chart, this is fresh chart, and I will teach you how to create value area here. So not one day, better we take 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart we can get many value areas. See this one, we can see that within a rectangle, this rectangle, there are some issues with touch. I will have to restart this application, but since video recording is going on, I want to do it. I will manage anyhow. See, this is the value area, and if we zoom it a bit, we can see that price is going up. It was up, came down, again went up, came to midway, then again up, came down, and this way it is trading for how many, 20, 15th, 16 to like 11 to 12 days it has traded in that area. And so this is a fair value area. Okay, and let's find out some other fair value areas. Okay, these are the diagonal fair value areas. Yep, here I can see some. Okay, so this one is another fair value area. Okay, so you guys know how to do that. So that was all for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.